Warm welcome to MJ Little channel. Friend, today I'm sharing very interesting topic: how to switch your Facebook, Instagram and Messenger into dark mode. As you know, you can save battery life. You feel too much comfortable while operating your device at night. Let's start today's topic. Firstly, you need to install one app that's about dark mode. Simply type here dark mode social media, and then you can see here dark social. Okay, just click on this, then press install. Just open it, press on skip. Now you can simply log in into your Facebook account, Messenger or Instagram, right? So firstly, I will show you how to log in into Facebook. Now you can operate your Facebook in dark mode. Provided that you wanna switch your Instagram into dark mode, you simply press on dark app. Look at the bottom of the screen, a Instagram icon. Press on it. You can simply type username and password. Suppose I type mine. Friend, be sure that you have pressed subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Don't forget to press on like and bell button. Here you go. In this way, you can enjoy your Instagram in dark mode. Finally, suppose you wanna switch your Messenger into dark mode, simply press on the Messenger icon. Now you can enjoy a Messenger in dark mode like this.